हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग करेंगे प्रॉब्लम वेक्टर्स प्रॉब्लम करेंगे आपके इंजीनियरिंग एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए। ये फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम मैं ले रहा हूँ। द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल हुज वर्टिसेस आर ए इक्वल टू 1 minus 1 2, b equal to 2 1 minus 1 and c equal to 3 minus 1 2. We have to find area of triangle. As you know, whenever we have to find the area of triangle, you need two sides of the triangle, because area of triangle formula we know, half into base into height. So that's why we need here two neighboring sides. So see here, we have to find out two sides of triangle from given data. Whatever the data have given, we have to make from the data two vectors of the sides. Vector AB equal to OB minus OA. You know OB is what is position vector of B, OA position vector of A. So you have to write OB and OA in terms of vector. So given the value, just you have to write in form of IJK. So OB equal to the points 2 1 minus 1 becomes 2I plus J minus K, and the position vector OA becomes your points 1 minus 1 2 become I minus J plus 2K. So AB, vector AB equal to 2I minus I equal to I, plus J minus of minus J become plus 2J, minus K minus 2K become minus 3K. Next side, BC, vector BC equal to OC minus OB, your OC 3I minus J plus 2K, OB 2I plus J minus K, 3I minus 2J, 3I minus 2I equal I, minus J minus 2J, 2K plus K become 3K. Now you have to use the formula of area of triangle. You know that the area of triangle formula, half into cross product of your two sides. So here two sides we have AB and BC. So area of triangle equal to half of AB cross BC. Now you have to find out cross product of AB and BC.
That.
Now we have to find out cross product of two sides. So vector AB cross vector BC equal to, you know, whenever we have to find out the vector product, we have to use determinant. So the value of vector AB and the value of vector BC you have to take in determinant, corresponding the coefficient of your IJK you have to take in your determinant. So here I have substituted already. Vector AB coefficient of IJK 1 2 minus 3, and for vector BC 1 minus 2 3. Just solve this using the determinant method. So we are getting here 0I minus 6J minus 4K, AB cross BC. Now area of triangle, as we already have discussed, half of mod of AB cross BC. Substitute the value of AB cross BC. We have to find out mod of AB cross BC. Magnitude of magnitude of vector AB cross vector BC. We have to find its magnitude. You know how to find the magnitude? Square root under the coefficient of IJK. You have to take the square. So we have the coefficient of I0, so 0 square plus coefficient of your J minus 6 square, plus coefficient of K minus 4 square. Its value come under root 36 plus 16, under root 52. Under root 52 we can write 2 root under 13. So half into 2 will be cancelled out. Under root 13 square units will be your area of triangle. Now I am going to take your second problem. इस प्रॉब्लम में वेक्टर A का मैग्नीट्यूड आपको दिया हुआ है, वेक्टर B का मैग्नीट्यूड दिया हुआ है, और आपको A क्रॉस B का मैग्नीट्यूड दिया है. You have already the magnitude of A, magnitude of B, and magnitude of A cross B values, and now you have to find out A dot B. See, in this problem is what we should know what is the relation of A cross B and A dot B. So we have one formula, the relation of A cross B and A dot B. That formula we will use. So in this problem we have to use the relation of A cross B and A dot B. We have one formula, magnitude of A cross B square plus magnitude of A dot B square always equal to magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square. Now substitute the values. We have already the values of magnitude of A equal to 2, magnitude of B equal to 5, and magnitude of A cross B equal to 6. Substitute those values. So 6 square plus magnitude of A dot B square equal to 2 square plus 2 square into 5 square. So now 2 square into 5 square equal to 100, and 6 square 36, 100 minus 36 64. Your magnitude of A dot B square equal to 64. So magnitude of A dot B is equal to square root of 64. That is your plus minus 8. Here one thing is very important. Option they will give you plus 8. One option they will give you. One option they will give you minus 8. One option they will give you plus 8 and minus 8. So you have to select that option, plus 8 and minus 8, because you know square root of any value, make it what is plus minus value. So that is very important. Answer is your plus minus 8.